I just got this speaker on sale through Best Buy. Hopefully it's still on sale by the time I have this video up. I will link it for you guys. I really wanted something to just complete that look on that cabinet, so I thought a speaker would be perfect. It is so cute. And it's like gold and white. It comes in different colors, but I thought this would be perfect for my cabinets there. So cute. Let me plug it in. I bought a bunch of these like flat plugs so that I can do it against the wall without having it stick out. And I actually ended up getting this cord that goes with it in white. So cute. After finishing that paper olive tree, I really felt like having a speaker would really make a vibe in this room here. So I have the speaker on and I'm gonna finally connect it with some music. So cute. I love it here. I just got a shipment that I'm so excited for. I'm gonna open that up and show you guys what it is. I got an upgrade to my Cameo 5. I got the new Cameo 5 Alpha. I'm so excited to try her out. Can't wait to use the Silhouette Cameo 5 Alpha. This is the updated version of the Silhouette Cameo 5 that I already have. I love that machine already, but this one is like the updated version. Basically, you could change the feeder, I think. And I know there were a couple other differences that they told us at the Silhouette Summit when I went to Japan last year. It was such a crazy trip. I will link the full vlog for you guys below. It was seriously like a dream come true when they invited me there, and then I got to check out all their cool new equipment. But this was one of their new launches. You could still use the electrostatic mat, which is one of my favorite things about the Silhouette. Basically, you don't have to use a sticky mat. You attach it onto here, and that's the mat where you don't have any stickiness. It sticks for you when it's going, but when it comes out, it just kind of comes off by itself, which is crazy. It's like magic. But anyway, I will have to test it out a few more times to just get used to it and update you guys how I feel about the differences. This is the biggest difference that I remember from the Silhouette Summit, but I will have to try it out and update you guys once I get used to it. I love using the Silhouette Cameos for like bulk orders when I have a bunch of things that I have to do. So I will still be using this and storing it away, but I have an extra one that I might be giving away to like a teacher friend. But this one I'll be storing away. I'll be putting the Cameo 5 Alpha in here. This is my first cut from the Silhouette Cameo 5 Alpha. It's a very simple cut. It's a 4-leaf clover because I actually have some sourdough ready. I was working on it all morning, and later tonight I was going to score a 4-leaf clover in time for March. I don't know if it's gonna come out this good, but I can't freehand cut anything, so I always need some kind of stencil. This will be my stencil for my sourdough later tonight. We're going up to the mountains today. There was so much rain in the past couple days in California, so I think we'll have a lot of snow ready for us in the mountains. People in California like us do not know how to dress in snow because I actually don't have anything other than some heat tech from Uniqlo, and then I have this jacket. I am taking extra jackets and extra pants. Hopefully it's not too cold. And I'm going to be wearing this hat. Okay, we're crossing our fingers. Hopefully there's enough snow to play with because it's actually kind of hot today. I want to say a couple days ago, it rained so much. You can see the mountains from where we live. It's really far though, but it's white. So hopefully there's enough snow and it's not too busy. This scarf is like the cutest thing my sister made. She never makes me anything, but she made me this scarf, crocheted herself. The little handmade sign is on there that she even sewed on there. Like, I'm so impressed because she never makes anything. We're heading out with our friends. They actually have like this giant truck, so we'll be safe driving up there. I wanted to gatekeep this place because we love this place and we don't want it to get too busy, but I'll let you guys know anyways. It's called Forest Falls. It's a little town before you start climbing up the mountain, but they still get snow there. It's such a good drive because it's about 40 minutes away from our house, and there's no like windy roads. It's before the mountain going up, but hopefully they even have snow because we don't even know if they have snow or not. But every time we've been, they usually have snow. It's just not as much as it would in Big Bear. But yeah, it's called Forest Falls, and you guys could check it out if you guys want like a quick drive that's easy but still want to check out snow. So I'm taking my Fujifilm camera, my vlogging camera. Hopefully I get some good shots in the snow.